So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to trim a video here on InShot. So I have this video right here, just a countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But if I wanted to trim it, so let's just say, so the 2 isn't, or the 1 isn't showing, pressing the clip right here, slide this bar on the right, just slide this bar on the right. You can actually go ahead and just slide it. If you hold it and slide it, you can go ahead and trim the clip right here. So if I were to go ahead and play the video right now, it now actually, another way you can do it as well is if I were to go ahead and make it larger, you can actually go ahead and split the clip right here, delete the clip right here, and then go ahead and play the video, and the clip is now trimmed. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can now trim a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.